Hi guys, this is Jamin with Point Tech. We're bringing you another do-it-yourself laptop repair video today. Today we're going to show you how to replace a key on a Lenovo laptop. It'll be one of these normal letter keys, and there'll be a link down bottom if you're looking on a video for how to replace one of the larger space or enter keys. But let's get started on how to replace one of these keys. So first thing you're going to need is, the only thing you're going to need really is a small flathead screwdriver. Smaller the better. If you use a normal household utility one, it'll be too big and you'll break components. So get a small one. And I'm going to show you how to salvage a key off of the keyboard first. This is common if you can't find loose keys for sale. You'll have to buy an entire keyboard and then take one off. So I'll show you how to safely get one off, and then obviously I'll show you how to put it back on. So let's go for J, and we'll take off the keycap, which is this top part. But as you're sliding this under there, be very careful, go slow, because there's a retainer clip under this that you can't see. And the idea here is that we're going to try to put this screwdriver in between those two components. So go slow, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get mine off. Okay, so that came off relatively easily, and as you can see, my screwdriver was holding down this white clip. Yours may be black, they're usually black or white, and they'll all look kind of the same. There'll be two parts, one inside and one outside, and they kind of snap together to form one clip. And they'll all have two metal brackets on top holding it down near the top corners, and then two more near the bottom corners. And that's how 99% of these are going to be laid out. The idea here is to take this off without breaking these clips that they're held into, and it's very fragile plastic, so it's hard. What you're going to do is you're going to push up on this clip while gently trying to pry it out from under the metal. So again, I'll show you more what it looks like when I get mine out, but go very slow. If you're going to break it anywhere, this is going to be where you break it. Alright. So I'll move these over so you can see what they look like. So if you notice here toward the top corners, where these little holes are, that's the thinnest part of plastic on this component. And again, that's where you would have broken it if you do break it in this process. So that's what I was taking great care to pry those up out from under the metal while not snapping them off. So now that you've safely salvaged your key, let's go ahead and put it on. We're going to go in reverse. We're going to put the bottom in first. So line those up with their clips, set them down, and when it's lined up, just push those top in and they'll snap into place. Snap, snap. And the little rubber thing in the middle is healthy. It bounced up, it's not damaged. So now all that's left is to put your keycap, center it as best you can, eyeball it, and then press. There you go. And that's how you would salvage a key, that's how you would install a key. So again, if you're looking for one of these larger keys, there'll be a link down bottom and a video on how to take those off and how to put those back on. But please like and share if this was helpful. And if you have any questions, please write at the bottom, and subscribe if you enjoy do-it-yourself computer repair.